For elevated style that can handle everyday life inside your home, Mohawk SolidTech sets the new standard for greatness in luxury vinyl flooring. In fact, it's a completely new revolutionary class of flooring. SolidTech combines the strength and rich visual of real hardwood with the gorgeous style, durability, and cleanability of luxury vinyl tile or laminate. It's a totally unique product with an amazing set of attributes. Modern, fashion-forward color selections and sophisticated textures allow homeowners to create bold, innovative floors and unforgettable rooms. Wider planks and extreme low-frequency pattern repetition give SolidTech an extremely natural hardwood visual. These gorgeous collections provide tremendous design potential for a touch of class and enhanced elegance anywhere you choose. That's right, SolidTech is engineered to perform in any room, from kitchens to living rooms to mudrooms. You see, superior engineering gives SolidTech the impressive ability to be easily installed at all angles for quick, professional results every time. Featuring Uniclick multi-fit technology, this advanced locking system also creates an incredible lock between planks, so spills stay on the surface for easy cleanup. What does this mean for active homes with kids and pets? It means that SolidTech floors are waterproof, odor-free, and a breeze to clean. It's a perfect solution throughout the entire home. With a thick, dense, rigid construction, SolidTech planks look and feel just like real hardwood. They are 50% denser than average composite core flooring, so your new floor will not telegraph any visual imperfections of the underlying surface. Incredibly durable and inherently stain-resistant, SolidTech planks resist scratches, scuffs, and indentation and maintain dimensional stability under heat and extreme temperature change. You can learn more about SolidTech, the new generation of luxury vinyl flooring, at mohawkflooring.com or talk to your local Mohawk retailer. It's a product like none other, and you will fall in love with both its striking beauty and performance.